You're generating a lot of leads on WhatsApp, but the quality of those leads are very, very poor. One way to improve the quality of your leads is to send them through a simple sales funnel. Instead of sending traffic directly to your WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp DM, you send them first to a landing page where you qualify them before they send you a message on your WhatsApp or they join your WhatsApp group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple sales funnel to help you generate quality leads for your product or your services. Let's get into the video. What do we need? The first thing we need is a bankable offer. This is going to help you come up with a landing page copy and your ad creative. I'm talking about your video and your graphics. So make sure you've created an offer for the service you provide. We need to select a sales funnel framework we're going to use, and then we need a sales funnel tool. In this case, we are going to use my website, and then we need a traffic source, which is either Facebook or Instagram ads. So this is the offer. So from this offer, I'm going to map out the landing page copy for the funnel. For the funnel framework, we're going to use a very simple funnel framework from the traffic source, which is Facebook or Instagram, to a landing page, and then they click to send me a message on WhatsApp. So I've already created the landing page copy. So I'm just going to open my notepad. So this is the offer. I'll help you get your next 100 clients and return at least 15 of them using my scaling metrics. Work with me until you 2 times your investment. For the landing page copy, this is what we are going to use. Are you struggling to get more clients for your business? I hope you get your next 100 clients and return at least 15 of them using my scaling metrics. The scaling metrics is my secret framework that helps business owners scale and grow their business in 90 days or less. Are you interested in doubling or tripling your current monthly income? Click the button and send me a message on WhatsApp. Let's jump on a free strategic call where I lay out a roadmap on how you can get your next 100 client. So I'm going to list out what they're going to get under the scaling metrics. I have that already. All I need to do is to search for it. Open my file. I'll open the scaling metrics. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to grab the points we'll be covering, and then here we're going to paste it here. This is good. So we've gotten everything we need for the landing page copy. Let's go back to our website. So I'm going to select normal page. I'm going to come here and pick a column. So I use this. Okay. Great. Stop delete this. So inside here, I'm going to add a headline. Go to this here, copy out. So we're going to come here and make this 51. Come to main options and reduce it. Maybe put 30 there. Yeah, this is decent. We'll come here and play with the colors. This green is my brand color. I'm going to apply this. Make it bold. And also come here to the font. Select the source, global web font, website font, and then, yeah, that's what I want, bold. That's the headline. Are you struggling to get more clients for your business? I'm going to duplicate it. You come here and give it a padding of maybe 10 or maybe 20. I can select this and give it a heading 2. Come back here. Okay. I'll help you get your next 100 clients and return 15 of them using my scaling metrics. All I need to do is to come to the main option and reduce the size to 20. I'm going to duplicate this again. Using my scaling metrics. I'm going to again. So this is where I'm going to list out things I'm going to do. This is where I'm going to list out the things I'm going to do under the scaling metric. Let me see if I can find listing elements here. Yeah, zero number lists. Okay. Just say it. Shift this to the middle. So I'm going to add, are you interested in doubling or triple your current monthly revenue? That should be a second header. Are you interested in doubling or tripling your current monthly revenue? It should be red. click the button and send me a message on WhatsApp. Let's jump on a free strategic call where I lay out a roadmap on how you can get your next 100 clients. So I'm going to attach a button where they can call or where they can click and send me a message on WhatsApp. Wait. So, great. Strategy. If you are starting out, this is the simplest funnel you can create for your business. So there are a few things I can do here. I want to see if there's a way I can bold this. Change the font. Okay, there's a way. Yo, wow. This is what I need. That's it. So remember, the next thing I need to do is to optimize this for mobile view. So I'm going to come here and do a couple of things. I think it's 50. It's 50. Come on there and see, let me see. Same. Thing that could do. $25. Yeah, perfect. Let me try to reduce this to 15. No, 20 is okay. And the rest are perfect. Make this 50. I think that should do. The button is small. Yes. So the next thing I want to do is to add a link to this button where they can send me a message. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to like this video so that YouTube is going to show it to more people and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. So I'm going to visit one link. What a link. This is where you can create a direct WhatsApp link. So I'll scroll down, add my number here. To 730 7219. Add a custom message. Hello, Peter. Alright, I'm interested. Your a link time metrics. The probably the at business is send me the link simple. Right, Free strategy. I'm going to copy the link. Also, I'm going to view the link to make sure it's correct. You see? Correct. Continue to chat. So I'm going to go back to the page all there and then target URL. Insert the target URL and then click on save. Voila! Your funnel is ready. If you watch this video to the end, there are 2 other videos you need to watch. I will list them in the first comment of this video. Also check the description of this video for all the resources I've mentioned in this video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.